Greetings friends and welcome to the den with me, J-Mac, the Red Island Shaver. So glad to have you all aboard for this quick video today, and I kind of been thinking about what to do, and so inspired by scents. We pretty much, I would say, all love the inspired by scents. A lot of our dens are taken up by them, so I figured why not do my my 10 favorite. Now this is in no particular order. I'm not doing a ranking from number 10 through number 1, so this is not a ranked list. These are just 10 of my favorites, and we'll get started off with the inspired by old school dupes. So number 1 is Barrister's Reserve Classic Scented Old Spice. Oh, that's such a great scent. Absolutely love that. Nails that Shelton Old Spice scent to a T. Really hits the spot for me. And following that with number 9, we're gonna go with Seaforth Spiced. Staying in that same classic vein, this was the competition for Old Spice back in the day. This scent was done up by Sean Maher of Maher Olfactive. Also works for or owns Chantilly Luxe. Fantastic scent on that. Kind of brought that one into the 21st century with the addition of Mandarin. Smells super duper awesome. Absolutely love it. Brand new addition into the den. You guys seen this last video, and that is 345 13 Elements. This was done with Jason at the Razor Company. An absolutely gorgeous scent. Oh, it's just so good. It's musky, it's mossy. So good. This one is based on Le Lobo Absolute 13. I believe it's Le Lobo Absolute 13. I should know that. I just did a video on that. You would think I would know that. Absolutely fantastic scent. Keeping with the Razor Company theme, and we're going to get some Shannon soaps onto the list here. We have Mars. This is based on Chanel Allure Pour Homme. Oh, just a nice citrus cologne. Date night soap. This one is really good. My wife really enjoys that one too, so it's a win-win there for me. Also, we have from Shannon's, staying in the cologne vibe, this is Forest City Fern. Now I know, oh man, that's good. I know this is an original scent. It's not an inspired by scent, but it's gonna make my inspired by scents for the reason that even though they didn't set out to improve on Brute, they improved on Brute. This has all the Brute DNA, but better. So it's making the list by that virtue alone. All right, moving on. We have A&E Ekhalifa. This is an absolute smoke show of a scent. Oh my word, it is just so good. This one is based on Nesomoto or Nesomato Black Afghano. It's just dark and sultry, resinous, spicy, vanilla, tobacco, cannabis. It's so good. And if you don't have a matching splash for this, it pairs wonderfully with a tobacco and vanilla scented aftershave. All right, moving on. I'm going to get into something a little fresh here. Now I don't have the original packaging for this, but I can assure you what is in here is fine. American blend that is based on Yves Saint Laurent Rive Gauche, which is a very nice, it's a barbershop-y cologne is what I would call it. An absolutely wonderful barbershop-y cologne, and there's going to be an honorable mention in this category as well. And that is Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements CAD. Oh, so good. So this has all the DNA of Rive Gauche. Now I don't know if that was a happy little accident, because I know Doug was going for the classic Barbasol scent, or maybe Barbasol is scented as Rive Gauche. But to me, this is Rive Gauche, but sweeter and better. So either that was a happy little accident, or what have you. Whichever way that worked out, this is an absolute banger. That's why it's an honorable mention. It's not, you know, it's not I guess inspired by, at least I don't think it was, but it does have all that DNA of Reeve Gauche. Next up, we got the Razor Company in Luther taking up the next spot with Black. And this is based on Tom Ford Noir de Noir, and it is just, oh, it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. This is a date night fragrance if I've ever smelt one. A little bright on top, fresh, masculine, a little dark underneath. It's so good. That is a fantastic scent. And now we get up into the top 2. No surprise that this one is making the list. That's right, first Canadian Mofo. Absolutely love this one. As you can tell, I got the Ring of Death. I really desperately need a new tub of this in 2022. This one is based on Creed Millésime Impérial, and it is just, it's a smoke show of a scent. It's fruity. Yeah, there's the fruit. It's fruity, it's salty, citrusy, woody. It's just, it's a great scent. This is a unisex scent. This goes good with everybody. And then rounding out the list, I'm gonna have to give it to Fine Platinum. And I know people are rolling their eyes because people know what Fine Platinum is. And that's Creed Aventus. Yes, that's right. I know Aventus. It's been done a bajillion times, but Aventus is just a classic, classic scent. Ah, pineapple-y, smoky, woody, a little bit dark, a little bit mysterious, a little bit bright. That's a fantastic scent. And my wife absolutely loves Creed Aventus, so don't hate the player, hate the game. And when your wife loves Creed Aventus, then, well, you wear Creed Aventus. So that's it, guys. That's my top 10 inspired by scents. I think maybe next week I might do a top 10 custom scents. And yeah, I think that'd be fun. And I should have more than enough soaps in here to do a top 10 customs. So that'll do it for me, my friends. Thanks so much for tuning in. Do appreciate it. Appreciate all your guys' support here on the Red Island Shave channel. If you're new to the channel, haven't you hit that subscribe button? It's right down below in the corner. Please just reach up there with your thumb or your mouse, click that button. It's free to do so. And we are building a community here, and we are expanding our wet shaving community. The most awesome community that there ever was and ever will be. So that'll do it for me. Until next time, be safe, be kind to one another, and have a great day, and you better shave. We will catch you in the next one. Peace.